Hi, I'm Mehdi, owner of Sunny Bliss Plumbing Air. If you're looking for drain cleaning in Miami, here's what actually matters before you call. A slow or clogged drain is annoying, but it's usually telling you something. In Miami, we see the same culprits over and over. Grease and food buildup in the kitchen lines, hair and soap in the bathrooms, and unfortunately, tree roots working into older clay sewer pipes in homes built before the 70s. Clear symptoms without finding the cause. You'll be calling someone again in a month. So when we come out, we don't just snake it and leave. That's the easy solution. We'll run a camera down the line when it makes sense, find out why it's clogged, and clear it properly. Whether that's a cable machine for a tough blockage or hydrojettings to scour the pipe walls clean. You get a flat rate price upfront always before we start. No hourly meter running. We've been clearing drains across Miami-Dade and Broward since 1990. And we're licensed Florida plumbing contractor. The license is CFC 1433145. If your drain's backing up or running slow, give us a call and we'll get it to flow right at Sunny Bliss Plumbing and Air.